Said this was the main entrance to the fountain. Hello, I'm Dale. We're in Orlando this week, and we are members of Bluegreen, which is a vacation club. So we had to use up our points, so we came to the fountain in Orlando, which is on International Drive. It's real close to the shopping center where the warehouse is, where the Disney character warehouse is, real close, about 5 minutes away. Also close to Universal, 10 minutes, SeaWorld, all of those, real close. It's a beautiful place. We have a 2-bedroom apartment or condo, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to show you that. And then maybe tomorrow I'll get out and show you the grounds. And this condo is really super nice. Here we go. This is the kitchen. You can see we got everything we need. It's just real pretty. You know, we got the cabinets are full of everything that we need. I think dishwasher, we have a dishwasher. And this is, I don't know if I said or not, but this is a 2-bedroom condo. This is from our art. Kind of like that one. I like the wooden wall here, that's really cool. And it's dark now, but that's our patio back there. This was our dining area, and of course this bar here in the kitchen. It's all granite tops, everything. Nice seating for, I think, it's like about 8 people, 6 or 8 people, plus the bar. And we have a nice TV with lots of storage underneath there if we need it. And the living room, you know, this is also a sofa bed. And you know, the color and the decorations in here are just really nice. I'll show you the, this is what we would call a 2nd bedroom, I guess. It has an extra bathroom, and it is really nice. It's clean, everything is very clean. Almost Disney quality clean. This room has 2 queen beds. We won't be using this room, but a 2-bedroom is all we could get. It's nice art. You got a nice TV in here, plenty of dressers, space with drawers, closet, and I don't know what's in there. It's just regular old closet, but it's big. And this room has a ceiling fan. Let's go into the master. And now here, this is our deck. I don't guess you can see it real well. I may take some more pictures tomorrow. In the daylight, out there is a lake. And of course we have a full moon tonight. So this is, this patio here is plenty big. It's got a table with chairs for 4. We have a king bed in here, and look at this big chair. The thing's pretty cool. It's interesting. An egg for a lamp, and I also have a large TV. I wish that dresser was bigger though, because we got to set our fan over there in the window because we don't have anywhere else to sit it. I think we may use this ottoman, put it over here, point it. That door goes to the patio. And this is our bedroom. Nice vanity area here. And large shower in the bathroom. And plenty of space. I'm not sure what this is. This is our closet. It's not as big as the other one, but it's big enough for us. So this is it. We also have a ceiling fan, and we have decided we're going to give this room an A+. And for cleanliness and just overall great looking, you know, like I said, apartment, condo, whatever you want to call it. And we're really well pleased. We have tile floor. We don't have carpet. Well, that room has carpet. Does that one?
Yes.
So the bedrooms are carpeted, both of them. Well, that's it. Now, I'll get the rest of the video and we'll show you the outside. And it's equally as beautiful as this room. A really nice, what kind of colors would you call it? Kind of like a coastal colors?
Soothing, coastal.
Yeah, it's very nice.
It has the wood, which is kind of the country, not country, can't think of the word right now.
A little contemporary work.
Not contemporary.
I forgot to mention this. It has a washer and dryer and ironing board, iron. It has some dishwashing stuff as well. And, you know, got a few things in here that are worth using. Margarita maker, coffee maker. It's, you can see here, it's fully stocked with just about everything you need. Pots and pans. Oh, big old bowl. And plates. And everything you need. So, anyway, wanted to show you this chair. There's two of these at the table. Those cushions are actually protrude, give you a comfortable seating in the back. We've got two of those, and I didn't notice those yesterday. I wanted to give you a picture of our balcony in the daylight and let you see the view that we had. Last night we couldn't see the lake, but this morning you see the lake. It's just really nice out here. We're facing the east, so we had plenty of reflection off the lake this morning. Well, we finally figured out how to turn that light on for this lamp, but I'll tell you what, it's very camouflaged, and it's right there. It's a little switch that was hidden, and it took us forever to find it. One of the cool things about this toilet is that it has a selection. I don't know if you can see that. Number 1 and number 2. Your choice.